was a nation that perished around 5,500 years ago, destroyed by a punishment similar to nuclear radiation? Approximately 5,500 years ago, there existed a very powerful nation. This nation had reached the peak of scientific progress and technological advancement. They used to carve mountains and build extremely strong and magnificent palaces, so remarkable that even modern science would be amazed by their craftsmanship. They were highly intelligent, expert builders, and possessed extraordinary abilities. Because of these qualities, they were considered the superpower of their time. However, gradually they became arrogant and began to deny the existence of the one God. Whenever the prophets called them towards guidance, they mocked them, caused them harm, and expelled them from their settlements. That region was once lush and prosperous. But when the decision for their punishment was made, rainfall stopped and a severe drought began. One day, they saw a cloud rising in the sky and moving rapidly towards them. They became happy, thinking it would bring rain. But that cloud was not a mercy, it carried punishment. The Holy Quran describes this event as follows. When they saw it as a cloud approaching their valleys, they said, "This is a cloud that will bring us rain." No, it is what you were asking to be hastened, a wind containing a painful punishment. It will destroy everything by the command of its Lord, and by morning nothing was seen except their dwellings. Thus do we recompense the criminal people. It was a fierce and violent wind that destroyed everything. Only their houses remained. The Quran mentions it as a barren wind. It did not spare anything it came upon, but reduced it to decayed bones. This barren wind left nothing intact. After this punishment, the entire region became deserted. No gardens, no oases remained, only sand and ruins. Today, this region is known as the Empty Quarter. Centuries later, a great caravan passed through this area under the leadership of the Prophet Muhammad. The companions stopped there and drew water from a well. When the Prophet came to know of this, he immediately ordered, the water from the well should be discarded. The prepared food should not be consumed. He said that a nation had been punished there, so they should avoid using anything from that place. They left the area immediately. Some people compare this punishment to modern-day nuclear radiation. However, the reality is that it was a divine punishment, and only He knows its nature. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Turn on the notification bell